Welcome to English 3, Quarter 3 Reviewer, Week 1 to 2. Milk Base with answer key 1 to 20. Are you ready? Disclaimer: the information provided by the presentation in this video is for general information purpose only, to help pupils to review their lesson. Thank you for your understanding. Test 1. The direction. Write the letter of the correct answer. Number 1. It refers to the words with the same meaning. A. Synonym. B. Antonyms. C. Hyponyms. D. Homonyms. Number 2. It refers to the words that have the same sounds and sometimes spelling but have different meanings. A. Synonyms. B. Antonyms. C. Hyponyms. D. Homonyms. Number 3. If we categorize the words, it is called blank. A. Synonyms. B. Antonyms. C. Hyponyms. D. Homonyms. Number 4. It refers to the words that are opposites. A. Synonyms. B. Antonyms. C. Hyponyms. D. Homonyms. Number 5. Which of the following is an example of hyponyms? A. Fair and fair. B. Hot and cold. C. Pretty and beautiful. D. Insects. Bug, butterfly, ants. Test number 2. Identify if the given word is an example of synonyms or antonyms. Number 6. Big, small. Number 7. Tall, huge. Number 8. Black, white. Number 9. Hungry, starving. Number 10. Small, tiny. Test number 3. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate words. 11. Harry is the blank of Uncle Matthew. A. Son. B. Son. C. Soon. Number 12. I am not feeling well today. I have a blank. A. Flu. B. Flu. C. Flow. Number 13. My dog Kobe always wags its blank when I come home. A. Tail. B. Tail. C. Tail. Number 14. Mom, I would like to eat some blank for dinner. A. Steak. B. Steak. C. Stick. Number 15. I blank a letter every month. A. Right. B. Right. C. Right. Test number 4. Identify the word or words in each sentence that have affixes. Number 16. Rona misunderstood me. A. Rona. B. Me. C. Misunderstood. Number 17. Shane will rewrite the song in her notebook. A. Shane. B. Rewrite. C. Song. Number 18. This is the most beautiful park in the city. A. Beautiful. B. Park. C. City. Next time, you have to be careful. A. Next. B. Have. C. Careful. Number 20. I like to buy that pinkish shirt. A. Like. B. Pinkish. C. Shirt. And now, let's answer the following question. The correct answer is letter A. The correct answer is letter D. The correct answer is letter C. The correct the correct answer is letter D. The correct answer in number 6 is letter A, 7B, 8A, 9B, 10B. The, the correct answer is letter B. The correct the, the correct the correct the correct the, the correct the correct Thank you for watching. Again, this is Teacher JM. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And don't forget to click the notification bell for more videos.